Fencing, Del Castillo Hagia Sofia of Canlas Fencing, Carbonell Marina Andrea of University of the Philippines, and Mendoza Aya of University of the East. Referee, Adrian Tapang. Piece number 7, pool number 5, Tan Jovi Daniel of Canlas Fencing, Ebdana Victoria of Canlas Fencing, Sardinia Ruby Kate of UST Fencing Team, Pascual Regina Zane of Republic Fencing, Nora Nami of University of the Philippines, and Vizcaino Leyla of University of the East. Referee, Luis Marty Shoemaker.